Hi, I'm Sarah Freeman, Vice President of Business Development at Truity Credit Union. I'm here today to introduce you to our latest innovation, the ITM. Over the next few months, we'll be rolling out ITM machines to all of our branches, replacing our previous ATM machines. So what exactly is an ITM? ITM stands for Interactive Teller Machine. It basically is the expertise of a teller inside of an ATM machine. You can still withdraw cash or make account transfers, but now you can also deposit checks and even make loan payments. And here's the best part. ITMs allow you to video chat with the specialist right from the machine. Let me show you.
Hey Sarah, this is Chance with Truity. How can I assist you today?
Hi Chance, I'm just telling our members a little bit about our snazzy new ITMs. Can you give me some more information?
Sure. So our team of ITM specialists are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. as well as on Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. But fear not, the ITMs are still available 24/7 for everyday transactions, just like you're used to with our trusty old ATMs. We're here to help you with almost everything a teller could, from deposits to questions about your loans or digital banking.
But where are you located?
So our team of ITM specialists are located right here in our downtown Bartlesville branch, delivering the same exceptional service you've come to expect from our tellers.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for the information. I'll reach out if I need further assistance.
Hey, that's what I'm here for. Have a great day, Sarah.
Thanks. While we're here, let me show you how easy it is to make a deposit. First, hit the big deposit button. You can deposit cash or check. Today I'm doing a check. Right into my savings. My check's been deposited, and now I'll just continue. With ITM machines, you can get a receipt showing your check image that you deposited, so you don't have to worry about having record of that transaction. At Truity, we're committed to enhancing our members' financial lives and making your banking experience seamless. That's why we're thrilled to introduce the convenience and efficiency of ITMs. Next time you visit a branch, give our new ITM a try and let us know what you think.